So pre-drill a 9mm hole halfway into the blank, and I'm drilling a 15mm hole. The depth determines the sound of the whistle. No idea how deep to go, I'm just guessing. So now bring up the tailstock centre for support. Right, I'll just rough out the blank, take the squares off. Just got to get it round. Absolutely no sizes to work to, so purely get it round. Then turn down the mouthpiece. This has to be a fairly thin wall, so we're just turning it down to just above that hole that was pre-drilled. Small chamfer so you don't get the sharp edges in the mouth. Any pattern will do now. Nothing in my head. As I say, I don't really make these, so anything will do. Got rather close to the jaws for cutting off here, but we should be able to manage. Make sure you don't turn this too thin and meet the hole that you've drilled. Right, this 9mm hole, the mouth of it has to have a slight slope on it or it won't make the noise. Probably best to do this with the countersink bit in the drill, but I haven't got that handy, so I'll just run the spindle gauge around it. Give it a quick sand over. Obviously if you was making these, you could probably polish them in the lathe. Take your time. Then got to cut off. Yes, this was quite close to the jaws for cutting off. You could use a parting tool or stop the lathe and use a saw. I'll just turn that down there and leave a bit of a nib. So I'll just chisel off the nib with the skew. Then I need a small hole in the end. I've got the 5mm bit in the drill. Just drill up the end. Oh, a bit clogged up, so we'll just clean it out. Right, to pre-turn the dowel to fit the hole, and you put a small flat on the dowel. That flat must line up with the hole, and you push the dowel in so it almost reaches the hole. So let's try it.